AMIARENEE.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof. Love it up, do. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit, heavy wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Trip when you sliding. Flip, baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you baby, cause you know I like it. Taking up a dick for you. Sweet baby, girl, you bite it. You can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. You can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me what's outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy.
We are at Dunkin' Donuts, and I just got my cornrows, and I don't like this color of my hair. I thought it was gonna be a different color. I'm about to run to the beauty supply store and get me some hair dye. Thank you, babe. Now, let me go to this beauty supply store, y'all.
I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up and tell me, baby. Fucking it up like oopsie daisy. Ain't no way I'm messing my days. Don't be let up in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you skating. Baby, ain't a hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot on the page. This type shit, heavy wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Trip when you sliding.
As you just saw, I made my detox with bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, and then I'm going to shampoo my hair with Mielle organic rosemary mint shampoo, and I'm going to do a deep conditioner with the deep conditioner. My first time trying this. And also, I'm over this hair color, so I'm dyeing my hair black. Semi-permanent dye, color charm. Oldie but goodie. I used to use this years ago. All the time. All the time. I'm about to be up all night. It's 10 o'clock right now. This is going to be a long process.
Don't hesitate when you in the kitchen, boy, I like it. Taking up a cake for you. Sweet baby, licking when you bite it. You can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. You can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me what's outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
Back with my whole head. Let this sit on for about 10 minutes and rinse it out, shampoo my hair, condition it, and put my black rinse on top. My hair is hard, like it could pop. Let me stop before I break. I'll be back. Just rinse all the clay out my hair and shampooed it. And now I am about to mix this color together. I think it'll look healthier. Smell good. I'm just over this color right here. So I'm just going to color my hair black and call it Ignite. I haven't dyed my hair with this color charm in so long. I forgot the amount of parts of the dye mixed with the developer. But I don't have a measuring bottle. Usually I'll get the bottles that have like the numbers on it. But I don't have one. So let me try to read this before I... Girl. I remember back in the day they used to tell you how much parts to put of both. Like, why is it not giving me no instructions? Just put some Vaseline around my forehead. Do you see right here where I burnt my daggone forehead? Like, I burnt it right here and over here when I caught myself trying to do the fluffy baby hairs. That was a disaster. My hair is easily detangled. All I did was shampoo my hair. I didn't even put any conditioner on it. And it's easy for me to part my hair right now, so it's nice and soft. Oh gosh, look, maybe this is directions. This came in a pack. Oops. Process it from 0 to 20 minutes. I'm definitely going to do 20. Just shaking this up. I don't know. It's still not telling me the measurements. It's basically telling you how long to leave it on. Depending on what color your hair is or what color dye you're using.
It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can equal me. straight when I fucked up, I shouldn't know how to fix. I'm gonna get the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, she tips.
Alright, let me finish doing the rest of my hair. Oh, yay! It's starting to turn. My gloves starting to turn black. I was getting ready to say, let me go hit on the YouTube. You know, YouTube and Google, you'll find out anything on there. I'm like, look, I'm about to mess my hair up. Whew. That's what I was waiting for. So my glove is starting to turn black. So I'm excited to have black hair. Wait a minute. The reason why I'm rinsing my hair is because when I dyed my hair red, the front part last year, it didn't take the first couple times because I forgot that I did rinse my hair or put semi-permanent black in my hair like a year prior. So I forgot that I did that. So when you put in color or anything in your hair and you already previously have color, I say go to professionals, or maybe put color oops in your hair to strip your hair of that first dye that you had in your head. Because my roots came out bright red and then the ends of my hair was like a dark red because I had the black on my hair. All my new growth took the red really good, but not the ends of my hair. When I say, baby, it was a process trying to get my hair to look right. I never got the red color that I wanted. My roots and my ends never matched. So that's when I started putting other colors on my hair, browns. But again, that wasn't the color that I wanted. I wanted red. So then I was over that process. So I just kept on putting different color rinses in my hair. And eventually, all the rinses came out in a blondish color. I was like, okay, that's cute. I'll just keep it for now because I don't feel like dealing with my hair. Fast forward to this summer, I want to start wearing more protective hairstyles. And I don't want my protective hairstyles to have any color in it. I want it to be just black. So I said, you know what? Forget it. Let me go ahead on and dye my hair black. I'm on a hair growth journey. I want my hair to grow as long as possible. Ooh. There's just something about black hair and feel like grown and sophisticated. Some nice black, jet black hair. So after I'm done with this, I'm gonna wash this out, deep condition, and then go to sleep. And I'll just style my hair tomorrow. I'll be back and show y'all how my hair look jet black. Let me pay attention because I'm gonna have this dye all around the daggone house. Alright, y'all. See y'all tomorrow. I'm back, y'all. I lied. I said I was gonna come back tomorrow. I just rinsed and shampoo the color out my hair. Let's see how it look. Ooh, she black. Oh, she black. She black. Oh, it's pretty. Nice and dark jet black. I look kind of crazy because my eyebrows not on, so right now I look like a browless person, but baby is black. Jet black. I'm about to put this Mielle. I thought it might have came with like a seal on top. I don't like when products don't have a seal that you could peel off. I don't want nobody playing in my stuff at the store. I got some deodorant. I don't want to make me do that, but I opened the top to make sure that the little piece that's on the deodorant, when this brand new was on there, why was it off and it looked like somebody used some of the deodorant? I said, what y'all came in there, did a couple swipes to put it back on the shelf, trifling. Anyway, this is my first time using this. I love this shampoo. That's what I did shampoo my hair with. And I used the oil. First time using the deep conditioner. And what time did we start, y'all? I can't even remember. It is 12:10. Probably won't get in the bed till 1 because I got to jump in the shower. I can't go to sleep without getting in the shower. Yeah, I just can't sleep being dirty. And dirty, I just mean like been out all day long, running around. Like, I don't stink, but it's just knowing that I didn't take a shower, I just can't sleep. I just can't be comfortable. No matter what time I get in the house, I always had to take a shower. I was always like that. I remember back in my clubbing days, getting in the house when the sun came up, 3, 4 in the morning, I had to get in the shower before I got in that bed. Oh, it's so pretty. Jet black. Y'all see that? I guess because it's probably getting old that I've been natural for probably over 10 years now. So I remember back in the day, I used to love doing my hair. I always worked a full-time job. And sometimes I would come home, did my whole 8 hours or however many hours I did, get off work, braid, lock my hair, twist my, do whatever I wanted to do, protect the hairstyle, go back to work with a whole new hairdo. And I just love planning. And fast forward to now, I barely feel like washing my hair. Like, it's not fun no more. It's time consuming. I'm tired. I'm just over the whole process. I'm trying to not act like that towards my hair. I noticed that I was being rough with it. Trying to take my time, sit down, condition, shampoo my hair. Don't try to hurry up and do everything in the shower or sitting under the sink downstairs in the kitchen, because bending over that long period of time, baby, your back gonna be hurt. Come in my beauty room, watch me some TV, give it the TLC I used to give it. I don't know how I'm gonna style my hair. Oh, this black hair is so freaking pretty. Wait till y'all see me tomorrow with these eyebrows on. I look crazy right now. I'm never going to sleep. Had the bright idea to go ahead and steam my hair. Sit under the steamer with my deep conditioner. Sit under here for 20 minutes and then rinse this out. Put 5 jumbo plaits, dookie braids in my hair, jump in the shower, and really go to sleep. So that's probably about 2 o'clock. Alright, y'all. For real this time. Hey, y'all. So this is the next day. I decided to put some jumbo twist in my hair.
Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe, sitting on dubs. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top, all the way at the top. Shawty, what is your name? Oh, she made us drinks to drink. Got drunk and when I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I winked back, and then I think that we hit it off something proper like. I like the bartender. If you're looking for me, I'm at the bar with her. Okay, I like the bartender. If you're looking for me, I'm at the bar with her. Okay, got a brand new girl, so I'm feeling all good inside. I'm good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new ride. Triple shot of Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping it real. Niggas still working at the club, so I'm getting me free.
Why is my battery about to die? I just wanted to show y'all my hair real quick and let my batteries get ready to die. It's the next day and I'm finished. I did the long twist and I was getting ready to work out, but I'm not. This is the outfit I wore for Raw the other day. But they're pretty long and cute. Making a salad for dinner. Oh, happy 4th of July. Today is the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. I'm rushing because my batteries get ready to die. I just wanted to show y'all my long twist that I absolutely loved. It took me about 4 hours. I do have a video on my channel of me doing the style. I'll pop it up right here. And here go my salad, baby. Look at the salad. Lettuce is clean. Onions, peppers. Man, it died. Since my camera wanna die on me, let me show y'all my salad. This is my plate. Ooh, my big old bowl. And either I'm gonna do this Chipotle ranch. I haven't tried this brand. Hopefully it's pretty good. Or my go-to favorite, Brianna's creamy balsamic. Top it with my cranberries and glazed walnuts. This is my first time trying these peppers inside the salad. Sweet and spicy peppers. They're right here. The peppers. I have red onion. This is banana peppers. Some those little teeny, I don't even know what you call those peppers, like little teeny bell peppers. Tomatoes, cucumbers. Again, happy 4th of July. Let me eat my food, clean up, and go to bed because it's 9:05. I think the fireworks here where I live at start at 9:10. So I'm gonna turn to the news and watch that. Again, hope y'all have a happy, safe 4th of July if you're celebrating.
Wednesday night, I'm on the list. T-Pain +3, T-Pain +3. Anytime I hit the spot, baby girl.
AMIARENEE. Welcome to my channel. Just got back from brunch. What was the name of that spot, babe? First Watch. That was both for our first time going there. It was pretty cool. Basic. Nothing special, but it wasn't bad either. So, it was cool. I got tres leches, strawberry pancakes, and some chicken sausage. I didn't like the way it smelled or tasted, so I took the chicken sausage back and got turkey. And he got like eggs and bacon, breakfast platter. Today is Saturday. I don't think we have anything too much planned today, so probably just chilling with us. We did redecorate our upstairs main bathroom. I can't stand that bathroom. That's the worst part of the house, but we are renting, so you don't want to put, well, I know I don't want to put too much money into somebody else's property, so we just did a couple small little decorations. I'll show y'all when we get in the house. It's really nice. It's black and gold. One more thing that I want to do, but it looked good compared to what it was prior, and it satisfied my need to rearrange and redecorate the bathroom. Traffic getting bad.